Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Take for today. Before we start, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so we get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today's topic is about the Nintendo Switch, something that was really requested. It's available from $299.99, which is a pretty good price for a Nintendo Switch. So let's get started. 3 modes in one. Nintendo Switch is designed to fit your life. It transforms from home to console to portable system in a snap, so you can play in 3 modes but still really fastly change from a mode to another. It has a TV mode, so you can dock your Nintendo Switch to enjoy the HD gaming on your TV. It also has a tabletop mode that helps flip the stand to share the screen and then share the fun with a multiplayer game. With the handheld mode, you can pick it up and just play with it. The Joy-Con controller attached to it. So you can either play on TV and use the controllers, play on your tablet, and use the computers, or just using your hands like when you're in a metro station or something. This is Joy-Con. So the included Joy-Con controllers give you total gameplay flexibility with no problem at all. You can choose your control style. So one controller or two, the way you want it to be, like vertical or sideways, or if you want it to be attached to a console or separate, you can just play in multiple ways depending on the game you're playing. You can also share it with a friend. You can pass a single Joy-Con to a friend for an instant 2-player fun. You can invite friends or bring them for a gaming party. So you can choose how you want to use it and how this is going. You can try something new with it. So with the HD Rumble, it puts you in a game with the physical feedback. So while the IR motion camera opens up a new experience like a Nintendo Labo, you can find your Joy-Con style. Better together, multiplayer gaming options. You can use your local co-op, can play on a big screen at home with friends, or local wireless, so you can link up to 8 Nintendo Switches and Nintendo Switch Lite systems together to play multiplayer games anywhere. With the online pay, you can team up or face off with others online in a compatible team game with a Nintendo Switch online membership, which you can sign up for. It has more system features. So with the Nintendo eShop, you can find and buy digital versions of the full game and the DLC. With the news, you can get the latest updates, announcements, and more. With the album, you can easily take and save screenshots using the capture button, the view and add text and share to social media network for your album. There are so many games to play you don't even believe. So the Nintendo Switch family is a home to exclusive games, from franchise to like Super Smash Bros., The Legend of Zelda, Mario Kart, and many more. You can also find great games from other developers that gets added here every day. Please make sure to check out this Amazon link. You never know, you might end up buying your own. Plus, the fact is always really good to know more about this kind of stuff. So go and check it out. It's also in the description box below, so you don't have any excuses if you don't check it out. The resource I use was www.nintendo.com, and we give them credit for their amazing work and a video that we're gonna watch after this. So yeah, have a great day and don't forget to watch our other videos.